Let me ask you something personal. Do you still wake up in the morning with the kind of firmness and confidence you had years ago? For many men over 50, those natural morning erections start to fade, and with them goes a quiet sense of energy, masculinity, and vitality. Most men blame age, but here is the surprising truth. In many cases, it is not just age, it is your nutrient levels. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and today I want to share with you the vitamins you should be taking at night to set your body up for stronger, more reliable morning wood. These are safe, natural, and simple nutrients that support testosterone, boost circulation, and give your body the overnight recovery it needs. Stay with me until the very end because I will explain how they work together and how to take them in the smartest way possible. First, let us talk about why morning erections matter. They are more than just a sign of desire. They are one of the clearest indicators of your overall health. Strong, consistent morning erections show that your blood vessels are flexible, your testosterone is active, and your nervous system is functioning well. When they begin to weaken or disappear, it is often a warning sign that circulation, hormone balance, or energy levels are not where they should be. But here is the good news: your body has not forgotten how to perform. It just needs the right tools. And some of the most powerful tools are vitamins that work while you sleep. Let us start with vitamin D. This nutrient is often called the sunshine vitamin because your body naturally produces it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. But here is the problem. After 50, the skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D, and many men spend more time indoors than outdoors. The result is that low vitamin D levels are extremely common even in men who believe they are otherwise healthy. And when vitamin D is too low, one of the first areas to suffer is your sexual vitality. Vitamin D plays a direct and powerful role in testosterone production. Testosterone is the hormone that fuels your desire, your stamina, your muscle strength, and your overall confidence as a man. Without enough vitamin D, your testosterone levels quietly sink lower, and you may notice less energy, a weaker drive, and a decline in performance. But when your body has healthy vitamin D levels, it is almost like flipping a switch. The machinery for testosterone starts working properly again. Hormone production rises, your blood vessels function more smoothly, and your mornings feel stronger, more reliable, and more alive. Vitamin D also improves blood vessel health by supporting the inner lining of your arteries called the endothelium. When this lining is healthy, blood vessels stay relaxed and flexible, which allows blood to flow freely into the penis. Without vitamin D, the vessels stiffen, circulation slows, and your body simply cannot achieve the firmness you expect. In other words, vitamin D supports both the hormonal side and the circulation side of sexual health. Now, here is the secret that many men do not realize. It is not just about taking vitamin D, it is about taking it the right way. Vitamin D is what we call a fat-soluble vitamin. That means your body only absorbs it properly when it is paired with fat. If you take it first thing in the morning with only water, much of it goes to waste. But if you take it in the evening with dinner, especially with a meal that includes healthy fats, your body absorbs and uses it far more effectively. Foods like salmon, avocado, olive oil, eggs, and nuts act like carriers, helping your body transport vitamin D into the bloodstream and then into your tissues where it can actually work. This timing also matters because your body performs much of its hormone repair and recovery work while you are asleep. Testosterone production naturally peaks during deep sleep, and vitamin D gives your body the support it needs to make that process as effective as possible. When you combine proper vitamin D intake with quality rest, you create the perfect conditions for stronger hormone balance and firmer morning erections. Over time, many men who begin taking vitamin D correctly notice not just stronger mornings, but also improvements in mood, energy, and muscle strength. That is because vitamin D does not only support sexual health, it supports your entire vitality. Restoring it is like recharging a battery that has been running low for far too long. The next vitamin, in like mineral I want you to focus on, is magnesium. Magnesium is sometimes called the relaxation mineral, and for good reason. It helps calm the muscles, lowers tension in the body, and soothes the nervous system, making it easier to unwind at the end of the day. But what many men do not realize is that magnesium does far more than just help you relax. It plays a central role in men's sexual health and hormone balance. Magnesium is directly involved in testosterone production. In fact, without enough magnesium, your body struggles to manufacture testosterone in the amounts it needs. And even the testosterone that is produced may not be used as effectively. That is because magnesium helps increase what is called free testosterone, the active form that your body can actually use to fuel desire, stamina, and performance. Low magnesium quietly robs you of this vital resource, leaving you with weaker drive, lower energy, and less confidence. Magnesium also supports blood vessel health. It helps keep the smooth muscles of the arteries relaxed, which improves circulation and allows more blood to flow freely to the penis. Poor magnesium levels, on the other hand, are linked to stiff arteries and reduced nitric oxide availability, two key reasons why men struggle with firmness as they age. So, when you replenish magnesium, you are not just supporting your hormones, you are also directly improving the blood flow your erections depend on. Now, here is why the timing matters so much. I recommend magnesium at night because it has a double benefit. First, it helps your body and mind wind down, so you fall into a deeper, more restorative sleep. Second, and more importantly, testosterone production naturally peaks during deep sleep. This is when your body does most of its hormone repair and rebuilding. By giving your body magnesium before bed, you are supporting that process in the very hours when it matters most. In other words, you are not only helping your erections, you are fueling the very system that creates testosterone in the first place. And there is one more advantage. Many men over 50 struggle with restless sleep, night cramps, or waking up too often. Magnesium helps relax the muscles, calm the nervous system, and stabilize blood sugar through the night, all of which make it easier to stay asleep. Better sleep means more testosterone, and more testosterone means stronger mornings. It is a cycle that begins with something as simple as making sure your magnesium levels are where they need to be. Whether you get it from foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, or from a high-quality supplement, magnesium is one of the most powerful yet overlooked tools for men's vitality. Take it before bed with a small glass of water, and let it do its work while you sleep. Over time, many men find that not only do their erections improve, but their overall energy, mood, and strength return as well. The third vitamin to consider is vitamin C. Most people think of it only as the vitamin that fights off colds and boosts the immune system, but its role goes far beyond that, especially for men's health. Vitamin C is a key player in circulation, and circulation is the foundation of strong erections. One of the ways it works is by helping your body produce nitric oxide, the powerful compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. When your vessels open up, more blood flows exactly where you need it. Without nitric oxide, even the strongest desire cannot be translated into firmness, which makes vitamin C essential. Vitamin C also protects the very blood vessels that carry this circulation. Over time, oxidative stress, damage caused by free radicals, weakens vessel walls, making them stiff, narrow, and less able to deliver blood. Vitamin C acts like a shield, neutralizing that damage and keeping vessels supple and flexible. That means healthier blood flow not only to your heart, but also to your pelvic region, where strong erections depend on reliable circulation. Another way vitamin C helps is by supporting testosterone preservation. It reduces oxidative stress inside the testes, protecting the delicate cells that produce hormones. Think of it as armor for your hormone-making machinery. With that protection, your body is better able to maintain testosterone levels, fueling energy, sex drive, and confidence. The timing matters as well. Taking vitamin C in the evening, or even splitting your intake between morning and night, ensures that your body always has a steady supply. Unlike vitamin D, which the body can store, vitamin C is water-soluble, which means it is used quickly and does not stay in your system for long. By dividing the dose, you maintain consistent levels around the clock. This keeps your blood vessels healthier, reduces inflammation, and supports nitric oxide production at all hours of the day and night. Over time, this steady supply adds up. Men who consistently support their bodies with vitamin C often find not only better circulation and firmer erections, but also improved recovery, stronger immunity, and more energy overall. It is one of the simplest, safest, and most effective vitamins to keep in your routine, especially when your goal is to protect both your hormones and your blood flow. Now, here is where it all comes together. Vitamin D primes your hormones, magnesium helps you sleep deeply and produce testosterone, and vitamin C supports circulation and nitric oxide. Together, they give your body the overnight recovery it needs to wake up stronger. Think of it as setting the stage. While you sleep, your hormones rise, your blood vessels relax, and your energy restores. So by morning, your body responds the way you want it to. So here is my advice. If you are a man over 50 and you want to bring back the mornings you miss, do not just blame age. Look at what your body is missing. Add these vitamins. Vitamin D with healthy fats at dinner, magnesium before bed for deeper sleep and hormone support, and vitamin C to keep blood flowing freely. With consistency, many men find that within weeks their mornings feel stronger, their energy rises, and their confidence returns. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more clear, practical guidance on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50. Remember, your body is still capable of strength and confidence. You just need to give it the right